Hi guys, it's Mia and it's Likes and Dislikes Friday. I'm going to be talking about cookies and cream slime. Let's first talk about what I like about it. What I like is that it looks like food. I love that it looks like a sweet food. You know, it looks like a sweet food. But I don't like that it makes you hungry because of that. I like that it's glittery. On camera, it does not look good. On camera, it looks brown, but in reality, it's white with glitter in it, and it looks like milk with cookie in it, like an Oreo cookie in it. Not bad. However, on camera, it looks bad. That's another thing I don't like. I like the poke and the jiggle. However, I don't like I like like this, when you go like this and you let it drip. Let's check out a unicorn poop. Unicorn poops work really well, and so does the poking on it. Stretching is just the only problem I don't like about it. I really don't like how it doesn't really stretch. See, like, it's not stretchy. If you're holding from both ends, it's not stretchy. So yeah, that was Likes and Dislikes Friday. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.